guys, and welcome back again with ICT IGCSE lesson chapter 20 page 348. Today we are going to start with the most important question that always comes in the IGCSE paper 3 ICT exam, data analysis. It's talking about the H lookup and V lookup and the regular lookup. What is the lookup means, how to use the lookup function. And in this lesson, we are going to answer the question in paper 3 2016 May-June. So after this video, I will put a link that containing all the source file you need, so you can just answer the question by yourself. And it's very important, guys, to answer the question by yourself, because you know all that the practical side is very important on how to implement the questions and answer using our computers, guys. So let's guys talk about the lookup and what does it mean, the lookup. So shall we start, guys? Okay, I think it will be very easy today. Just follow me, and if you like, just open your book in page 348. So let's go, guys, and do the exercise. Okay. Using the lookup function in the term of lookup as used in practical examinations means to look up from a list. It does not mean that you should use the lookup functions, as there are three variations of the lookup function. It is, as I said, the lookup and the H lookup and the V lookup. So what does it mean, guys? It is mean, guys, that the H lookup, it's called the vertical. The H lookup is the horizontal, and the V lookup is the vertical, and the regular lookup. So let's, guys, go directly to the exercise and just read the question for the paper 3 2016 May-June to understand how to use. We are going to answer the whole question to understand the lookup function. Okay, so we just come here and read. Let's start with task 2, directly to the Excel. You are going to prepare a spreadsheet for the GL event to manage employees' wages. Use the most efficient formula. Display all currency values in Indian rupees to two decimal places. For example, 12.00 or INR 1.12.00. So the 1 rupiah equal 100 paisa. Okay. Using a suitable software package, load the file 1632 sheet CSV. As we said, guys, before, that the CSV is the source file that used in Excel software. So we are going to open the file 1632 sheets. Okay, guys. So let's close this one. Don't save. Okay, I already prepare a folder containing all the source file here for the practical exercise. So just go here and open the source file. I will send this folder compressed for you guys, so you can implement this question by yourself to practice yourself. Okay, so we are going to open the file 1632 sheet here. Just double click. Okay, guys, and let's get back again to the question. Save this file as spreadsheet with the file name 1632 and your center name number and candidate number. For example, it's like that, 163 underscore your center number and candidate number. So get back again the spreadsheet. So I'm going to just click here, file. This is file, save as, to change the file name. It is 1632 sheet underscore center number, for example, Joe for Jordan. This is English. Joe 1234 underscore my candidate number, for example, 0005. And change the type of this file from CSV, comma separated, to Excel workbook, as he said in the question. So add the same area of the source file. Take care, guys, save all your files at the same area. Don't change the path of the save target. Okay, so save. Okay, as you see here, we can see the new name of the file. Let's get back again to the question. So guys, to perform how to place an automated file name which includes the file path on the left in the footer, we just go back to our proposed file here and just insert header and footer and just go directly here. Okay, and from the navigation, as you see here, go to footer. We want to go to the footer, not to the header. Just click here, and this way it is in the left of the footer. In the left of the footer, the file path. Why we just put the file path? Because the file path is containing the path and the file name. So the right thing to do is just insert the file path, because it will contain the file path and the file name. Okay, guys, let's go back again to the question. Okay, insert two rows between rows 12 and 13. So we go back again here. This is row 12. Just highlight the whole row, and if we just insert a new row, it will appear over 12. So we will put here in 13, because we need the two rows between 12 and 13. So insert, just click here, insert. Okay, it is now between 12 and 13. And another one. So we have now 12, 13 is black, and 14. Okay, let's go back again to the question, guys. Number 3. In cell A14, center the title Geo-Elephant Sanctuary. So we just take that copy. This is copy in A14. So this is A14, this is A14, okay, and paste. What else, guys? Let's go back again to the question. Merge cells A14 to H14. Okay, so this is A14. Just highlight the whole region, guys. This is A14 to H14. This is H14. How to do the merge? It's very easy. Just go to this one, to this button, merge and center, and click. And it will appear like that. Okay. Format the cells so that the text is centrally aligned with a black 24-point serif font. You remember, guys, serif and sans serif? We just said before, while we was implementing practical in our lovely lab, that sans serif is Calibri and serif times Roman. So let's go back again to our proposed file and make it 24 point. It is already black, and the type of the font will be Times and Roman. Times and Roman. Okay, what we cannot find here times and Roman. We just type times and it will appear. This is times. Okay, it will appear at the last of the list. Okay, this is time and Roman, guys. This is time and Roman. Let's go back again to our question, guys. Merge cells A14 to H14, and we already do that. Format this, we already also do that. Make the contents of the cells in row 1, 2, 15, and 16 bold and italic. So just hold the cursor here and push the control button at the same time. This is 1 and this is 2 and this is 15, 16. Bold and italic. Bold and italic. Okay? Let's go back again, guys. What else? In cell D17, enter function to look up. Oh, okay, guys. Now we reach our lesson today. What is the most important we say? We just say that. In cell D17, enter the function to look up from the external file. It's called 1632 jobs CSV, the job description of the employee. How to do that? So let's go here, guys. This is our file. So we should put our cursor in the cell here, job description. Let's expand this, guys. Just double click here. This is job description. What we need is just comparing this job code with the job code listed in this file. This is the source file, guys. This is the source file. So we need to compare the job code here with the job code over there and just put the job description here. How to do that? Using the lookup. But what type of lookup should we use? Guys, it is very important. Please listen carefully. VLOOKUP data listed in columns. It's like that. VLOOKUP, the vertical, is columns, is listed, data listed in a columns. So the number of rows more than the number of columns, as you see here. Sure. So you should use the VLOOKUP. But if it's look like that, you should use the HLOOKUP. If you use the table in the same file, no need to go to another file or external file, so you should use the regular lookup. Let's do that, guys. Okay, it's very easy. So we just put the cursor here at the job description and just type, as we said before, the symbol of equal. It's the beginning of the function, and lookup V. As you see, it's appeared now. Just double click. Then we want to compare this one SD C17, comma, with the file. Let's type the source file. What is the name of the source file? It is easily jobs. It is named 1632 jobs 1.csv, and go directly, guys, to the external file here and just choose the choose the two columns A and B. This is A and B, guys. Okay, this is A and B, as you see here. Okay, then comma, we need the number of column 2. We need the number of column 2. And we want to return the value of false. How do that, guys? Just comma again. We want the exact match. We want the exact match. And just close the brackets. As you see, it's returned the job description. It's returned the job description, guys. Please just review the video again if you don't understand this stage very well. Okay, guys. Let's get back again to the question. In cells E17, enter a function to look up the pay grade table for the annual pay rate for the employees in E17. So let's go again to our spreadsheet in E. This is E17, guys, here. We want to look up this one, guys. We want to look up this. Now we are going to use the regular lookup. So we just put the equal sign, lookup. This is the regular lookup. Okay, this is the regular lookup. So we need this one, the job description or the pay grade, sorry. We need the pay grade. Okay, guys, so P17 will be P17 here, the pay grade, comma, A3 to A2, this one, guys. This is the first region, A3 to A12, comma, then B3 to B13. This is B3 to B13. And just close the brackets. Enter. So, as you see, it's appeared here, 2000. Let's go back again to our question, guys. Okay. In cell G17, enter the formula to display. This is G17. Let's go to G17. This is G17. Okay. What do you need? In G17, you want to display full-time if the works columns contains 1. Okay, not started if the works columns contains 0, part-time if not 0 or 1. So guys, do you remember we are going to use now the nested if? So we need, just type here, this is equal if, open the brackets, if what? If job type, sorry, if works equal 1, comma, part-time or full-time, see here, full-time, it is full-time. Another if, and open another brackets, works equal 0, I think, okay, 0, comma, then not started. else part-time. Close the internal, then close the external. Enter. So, if works equal 1, then full-time. If works equal 0, not started, and part-time. How to do that, guys? How to do that? We just say if works, not works equal 1. So we just type here if F17, guys, if F17 equal then, and here again, if F17, so how to do that, guys? Okay. So, okay, guys. Number 8. In cell G17, enter formula to display full-time if the works column contains 1, not started if the works column contains 0, part-time if not 0 or 1. How to do that, guys? Okay, it's very easy. We are going to use the nested if. Do you remember nested if, guys, in the last lesson? Okay, let's go here and just put the cursor on the cell G17 and just type the formula equal. Start with equal F, open the brackets, F works, it is F17 equal 1, then full time. Comma, another F, F17 again, okay. Okay, F, open another bracket here, internal one, F, F17 equal 0, then not started, else part-time. Close the internal one. Enter. Oh, we have problem here. Let's see. Okay, part-time. We should close this one. Okay. Okay, this is the full-time. Let's see, guys. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have two here. We have two, one here. Then delete this one. Okay. Okay. Let's go to number 9. In cell H17, enter a formula to calculate the weekly wages in rupees. Rounded down to the nearest paisa. So the 1 rupee equals 100 paisa for the 1 year. Equal 52 weeks. So we just go to H17. This is H17. What to do with H17? Okay, guys. So we need to calculate this one over 52, but rounded. So we will start with rounded, equal, round, R-O-U, round, okay? round, E 17 over 52 weeks. This is another brackets here, okay, over 52 weeks, comma, 2 decimal point, 2 decimal point, enter, and it will be like that. It's very easy, guys. Replicate the formula entered in step 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, we are going to replicate that. Just do like that and hold this and just let it down. The end of the list, like that. Okay, we should do that before. Okay, guys, sorry. Let's do it serially, starting from here. He didn't find any value, so that he put the 0. Okay, and go here, just expand this, and just go here. Okay, and you will find the answer here. Okay, guys, we are going to stop here, guys. Please don't hesitate contacting me, guys. It's very important to implement all the exercise by yourself. It's very important in the practical side. So don't hesitate asking me any question about the lesson today. I hope to see you all, guys. I miss you all. Take care of yourself and your families, and goodbye, guys.